Desire, one of the things we do here at C. Paget with all of our new Hondas is we're going to provide you about $300 worth of maintenance during the first 2 years. We're going to provide 4 oil changes and 4 tire rotations. Okay? Now, why would we be doing that?
I really don't know why you would lose money.
Okay. Well, we're not in business to lose money, but here's what we are in business to do. We're in business to create lifelong customers. We've got an awesome service department, but you don't know that. So we're literally willing to pay you $300 to use our service department. First, second, third, fourth oil changes and tire rotations. We figure by that time you will have had such a good time and you'll understand how good we are back there that you'll become a service customer for life. That's why we're willing to invest $300 in you. Save money, Jermaine, good. By the way, I'm going to send you these videos, okay? I love the fact you said save money. But don't just leave it there. By the way, what is an oil change and a tire rotation?
They're about $69.
I pay almost $80 in Atlanta for exactly the same thing.
It kind of goes up and down depending on.
Okay, so using 75 would be fair?
Yeah.
Okay. What sounds better, 4 free oil changes or $300 worth of oil changes? $300 worth of oil changes sounds better, and tire rotations. And I want to let the customer know why we're doing it. Look, we're not charitable. We don't give away stuff, Desire. We just love our service department. We think you will too. We're willing to invest $300 into you to try it. Cool?